Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. Let's get started.
These should look familiar. We need 7 egg whites, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 2 cups or 500 grams of butter, 200 to 400 grams of dark chocolate. Many people prefer milk chocolate, but in my opinion this recipe already has enough sugar and tastes better with dark chocolate. 200 grams will give a gentle taste of chocolate and 400 will be a stronger chocolate flavor. We start out by separating our eggs into a heat-safe bowl, so metal or glass. We only need the egg whites. Then whisk in the sugar and vanilla sugar if you're using that. Then heat it over a double boiler until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture is hot to the touch. It should also be thinner. Then whip the meringue to stiff peaks. The bowl should also be completely cool and room temperature. Cut your butter into pieces about a tablespoon at a time. Add to the meringue with the mixer on low. I'll speed up the video, but just continue to add slowly until it's all combined. Scrape the bowl and beat on medium speed until the mixture comes to buttercream consistency. I am making this on a very hot day, so just to help it come together, I'm chilling it in the fridge for about 30 minutes before trying to beat it again. Now, it doesn't really even need tons of time to come together completely. If you're having trouble with Swiss meringue buttercream and would like a more detailed tutorial on these steps, see the link in the card. I have a complete slow tutorial explaining lots of steps in my channel. I also add the salt, vanilla extract if you're using that, and melted chocolate. Make sure your chocolate is not hot enough to melt butter. If it is, let it stand for a few minutes before adding it to the buttercream. I started with 200 grams of chocolate, thinking that might be enough. It was quite pleasant to eat. The chocolate taste, though, was a bit subtle for what I wanted, so I decided to add another 200 grams of chocolate. Now it's the decadent buttercream I was looking for. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.